began with beauty. For the first time in recorded history, every planet in the solar system, from tiny Mercury to distant Neptune, formed a perfect line across the void. Astronomers called it the Grand Alignment. News channels broadcast holographic models of the solar system, or as if announcing a divine event. The world paused to look up. At first it was harmless. Telescopes everywhere captured stunning images, a cosmic thread of worlds drawn across the night sky. But soon, the gravitational balance of the solar system began to shift in subtle, terrifying ways. The tides on Earth surged higher than ever before. Storms brewed without warning. Clocks began to lose seconds, not because they malfunctioned, but because time itself seemed to stretch. The alignment amplified the pull of gravity between planets, creating invisible waves that rippled through space-time. The moon's orbit faltered. Satellites drifted from their courses. GPS networks collapsed. The night sky brightened unnaturally, and Jupiter's bands visible to the naked eye, Mars glowing red as if on fire. Humanity watched in awe and dread as the heavens drew a perfect line. Then came the resonance. Instruments deep in Earth's crust began to hum at the same frequency as the gravitational waves. The planet itself vibrated, imperceptibly at first, then with growing intensity. Buildings shuddered, oceans heaved, and entire mountain ranges resonated like struck bells. Scientists called it planetary harmonics, a once impossible phenomenon now terrifyingly real. Religious leaders declared it Judgment Day. Some people meditated on rooftops, others fled underground. But in research stations and observatories, the truth was becoming clear. The alignment was unlocking something deeper than gravity. Quantum readings spiked. Energy fields unknown to physics began forming between the planets, thin filaments of light stretching across space like veins of power. Earth's magnetosphere flickered with strange auroras, dancing even in daylight. Then, for exactly 61 seconds, everything stopped. The wind, the waves, the movement of clouds. Even the rotation of Earth hesitated next to a microscopic pause, but long enough for every living creature to feel something primal. Silence that went beyond sound. When motion resumed, the world was not the same. Compasses no longer pointed north. The constellations had shifted slightly, impossibly. It was as if the fabric of space had folded just a little, enough to rewrite reality's geometry. In the aftermath, people reported shared dreams. Visions of standing on other planets, breathing strange air under alien skies. Scientists discovered new particles in the atmosphere, ones that seemed to defy decay. The planets slowly drifted back into their orbits, but something remained. A faint, glowing thread visible only through deep space telescopes, connecting all 8 worlds. Humanity realized the alignment had not been random. It had been a moment of synchronization, the solar system itself tuning. No one knew what it was preparing for or if it would ever happen again. But on observatories around the world, a quiet countdown began. Because in the data left behind, one pattern kept repeating. Another perfect alignment was coming exactly 100 years later.